Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we'll talk about using a credit card on Venmo. The short answer is yes, you can use a credit card on Venmo, but it might not be the best idea to do so. That's because Venmo charges a 3% fee on any funds you send with a credit card, while other funding methods don't have that fee. So you're better off using a debit card, prepaid card, or bank account to fund your Venmo transfers if you're able to. There are some situations when that 3% credit card fee won't apply though. You won't have to pay it if you buy something through a merchant's mobile website or app, as long as it displays the Venmo logo as a payment method. Now, if you want to use your credit card with Venmo, then you'll have to link it to your account first. And that's a really easy process. Just follow the prompts in the app and you should be set up in no time. And if you're wondering about the best credit card to use on Venmo, you should look for a card with consistently valuable rewards that will more than cover the cost of any transaction fees you're forced to pay. So you can see which rewards credit cards Wallet Hub's Redditors recommend by clicking the button right here.